Got me one. Got me a little bitty one. Got me a little bitty one. Got me a little bitty bass. Got me a little bitty bass. This is what we're using today, people. It is made by Cotton Cordell. It is a shad wrap. It dives from 4 to 6 foot. We're running in about 4 to 6 foot of water trying to catch, you know, this is medium size. Medium size, I like using medium size because it will catch big bass and small bass. Instead of them big, bulky crankbaits. Or you're targeting is big bass. I'm just targeting anything in a bite. All right, people, let's get back at it. Normally fish. I didn't throw crappie jigs, nothing. Now I'm throwing a little shad wrap. It dives 4 to 6 foot, which I'm fishing in 5 foot of water, 4 and 5. So, let's see what we can do here. We're just throwing it around. You throw out 100 times, you're bound to get a bite. You're bound to hook into something. Baby. You're bound to hook into something sooner or later. You got hooks go running through it. You got 2 treble hooks, 6 points. There he is. Oh yeah. Look at this, people. Got one. He's alright. He'll probably keep. Look at that, people. Oh yeah. Yeah. He'll probably keep. Look at that, people. Look at that. Oh yeah. He'll probably keep. He's long enough. You know what? But I'm not. Not today. Whew, that was fun. It was fun. Let me get something to clean my hands. Man, that's spiders. Man, that's the spiders. Let me get something to clean that. Got fish smell on my hands, y'all. I got fish smell on my hands. You seen that? Oh yeah. Got fish smell on my hands. I got fish smell on my hands. Let's see if we can get another one. Throw out 100 times. Like I said, you're bound to get something. Man. There he is. There's a little one. but they are fun. Can't get on no crappies, so we'll catch basses. No size though. That was fun. That was fun, people. All right, people. We're gonna call it. We're gonna call it for the bass because I want to catch the crappie. People, we're gonna call it for the bass because I'm gonna go try to catch some crappie. But if we don't, we'll see y'all on the next one. 8.